Well, YouTube, good morning. It is a Tuesday morning. Gonna go to a different spot, but they hadn't opened the gates yet, so I might give this 15-20 minutes, see if I can't catch something. This river is raging pretty hard, so no matter where I go, it's going to be insane. There we go. There we go. See what we got going on here. It might not be moving at all. It might just be staying right here. There we go. Hooked him under the bottom lip. But it's a fish. First thing in the morning, second cast, huh? He's been beat up. Man, looks rough. Rough. See you, buddy. Thanks for playing. All right. I'm gonna throw on a certified swimmer on my other rod here fairly shortly. Little smallmouth. All right, buddy. Okay, we'll see you later. Thanks for playing. Thanks for stopping by. All right, so we stayed at that last place there for just a little bit. The other spot that I was going to go to, gates are still not open, so not going there. It's just after 7 o'clock. And yeah, came down here. There's nobody here, so we're gonna fish. And I have a feeling we're gonna catch a few fish today down here. See you down at the water. We're gonna start out with a certified swimmer on an 1/8 ounce jig head. There we go. That's where we should have been going the first time, I guess. Show yourself, big guy. What? No way. That thing almost as it hit the water. Nice catfish. There we go. All right. Okay.